What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on with this beautiful 2017 Ford Focus RS. And while you're at it, don't forget to take a look at my new clothing line. First link in the description below on Teespring, and use code Stealthy15, good for 15% off until the end of the year. Alright, so where did we leave off last time? Yes, apparently I left off with a dead battery, small battery problems. Anyhow, we got the AC condenser tied up right here. Let me adjust this brightness for you guys. There we go, much better. So we have a zip tie right here holding it up. Otherwise it's just kind of hanging there. We got everything cleaned up. Now it's time to drop the radiator in and start putting everything back together. Alright guys, so there is the new radiator. A lot better build quality than the factory one, of course. If you guys don't remember, there's a big hole in the factory one, so that's no good. Another thing worth noting, this radiator is much lighter than the factory one. Alright guys, don't forget to tie in your AC compressor to the new radiator. The Mountune unit comes with a new bolt. And that's that. The radiator's in. I just have to put the fan back in, connect the hoses, put the whole top back in, make sure we don't forget any electrical, and that's pretty much that. Alright, so everything is mounted back up now. Working on getting the charge pipes connected. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time. Other than that, pretty much done. After this, it's bumper and headlights, and finish for waiting for the battery to finish charging. Alright guys, bumper's back on, headlights are back on. Time to start it up. Leave it cycle through for about 5 minutes. Leave it cool down, add water, rinse and repeat. Okay, and right there you can see the coolant temperature is rising. I'll double check that there's no leaks, make sure everything's circulating. About 5 minutes. Turn it off, wait, rinse and repeat. So it appears that there is no leak. Alright you guys, so the coolant system seems to be bled. I do have to add a little bit more water. It's getting a little late and I really don't feel like disturbing my neighbors and potentially getting a noise complaint. So I'm going to call it for the night. Yeah, I'm pretty much going to connect the battery charger overnight, make sure that small Odyssey battery is getting a 100% charge. Don't forget guys, a new clothing line has dropped. First link in the description below. Use code Stealthy15 for 15% off. That code is good till the end of December. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.